Hello, my name is Vinayak Kaurwar and I would like to introduce you to the anti-aging aspects of yoga. I was born and raised in India. I have studied with several masters. I taught yoga in New York City for more than 20 years. Since 2017, I am living in the Himalayas to study the anti-aging secrets of yoga. Yoga is a system made of 8 limbs. Just like a car is a system, the car has wheels, engine, chassis and the body. So the yoga is also a system which is made of 8 limbs. The 8 limbs contain 16 steps and 6 purifying processes that purify your mind and physical body, leading to the realization of health and happiness, and of course freedom from diseases when practiced as prescribed in the texts of yoga. In this anti-aging yoga, we teach you how to conserve your vital energy, that is physical, mental and spiritual energy. Most of the times people are not mindful and they end up spending their vital energy on unproductive things. This vital energy is desperately needed by our immune system to protect our body, and we also need this energy to perform physical work and to make decisions. And when we don't have this energy, we are not able to work properly. When we have accumulated enough vital energy, our body can use this energy to remain youthful for a long time. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us to make a 20-minute free appointment for free 20-minute introductory session. Namaste. Thank you.